Are you looking to start building your credit in 2024 but unsure where to begin? In this video, we'll cover the best credit cards for beginners, ones that offer great benefits, low fees, and are easy to qualify for. Building credit is crucial because it impacts everything from getting approved for loans, renting an apartment, and even getting the best interest rates. Credit cards are one of the easiest ways to start building credit responsibly. When choosing your first credit card, look for these important features: no annual fee, low interest rate, simple rewards or cashback, no or low foreign transaction fees, easy, approval with no credit or limited credit history. First up is the Discover It R Student Cashback. It's perfect for students, offering 5% cashback on rotating categories like gas stations, restaurants, and Amazon. Plus, it has no annual fee and even matches all the cashback you earn in your first year. Great for anyone starting out. If you're looking for flexibility, the Chase Freedom Flex SIM is a fantastic choice. You get 5% cashback on categories like groceries, dining, and travel, plus 1% on everything else. With no annual fee and a great bonus for new users, this card is a top pick for 2024 beginners. Next, we have the Petal One QuicksilverOne One. It's perfect if you want simple, flat rate cashback, offering 1.5% on every purchase. While it does have a small annual fee, the easy approval process makes it ideal for beginners with a limited credit history. The Petal 2 Visa credit card is excellent if you're looking to avoid fees. There's no annual fee, no late fees, and no foreign transaction fees. Plus, it offers up to 1.5% cashback as you use the card more. It's perfect for those starting out and learning to manage their credit. Finally, for those with no credit history or poor credit, the secured Mastercard or from Capital One is a reliable option. You put down a small deposit as collateral, but it helps you build credit and eventually upgrade to an unsecured card. It has no annual fee and reports to all three credit bureaus. Now that you know the best cards, here are a few tips for using your first credit card responsibly. Pay off your balance in full every month to avoid interest charges. Keep your credit utilization below 30%. This means don't max out your card. Always make payments on time to boost your credit score. So, which card is the best? If you're a student, go for the Discover It Student Cashback. If you want simple, everyday cashback, choose the Capital One QuicksilverOne One. And if you're starting from scratch, the secured Mastercard from Capital One is your best bet. Ready to start building your credit? Don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance tips and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching.